Hey y'all, Mr. Rice here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple clicker game on MakeCode Arcade. And I'll walk you through each of the steps so you can do it yourself, and then I'll show you some things you could add onto your game to make it look a little nicer and even add some more features. So we'll make a simple clicker game. Looks like this. You have a countdown timer, and you just click the A button as fast as you can and score as many points by clicking A as fast as you can in those 10 seconds. And then it displays your high score at the end. So let's talk about how to make an app like that in Microsoft MakeCode. So here is MakeCode Arcade. You're going to click on New Project. Let's just call it Clicker Game. Click Create. Let the blocks load up. Okay, so notice we start with our on start block. Nothing inside of it, so the simulator shows nothing as well. First thing we're going to add is a countdown. So to add a countdown, you open the info toolbox and scroll down to countdown, and you can see start countdown 10S. So what that does is you'll notice that immediately starts a countdown timer on our app, starting at 10 seconds. At the end of the 10 seconds, well, it says game over, but we don't really have anything else. This isn't really a game yet, is it? So also in the on start, we're going to add a score. We're going to set score to 0. Okay, so now you'll notice, now I have a score counter in the top right corner. We have the countdown timer and we have the score counter, but none of the buttons work yet because we haven't programmed them. So let's program a button event, a button trigger event. So let's say we want the A button to be pressed, and then our countdown timer will increase by 1 point. To do that, we're going to click on controller, and we're going to select on A button pressed. And now you'll notice it does not fit inside the on start block. It's a different shape. So we're just going to put it right next to our on start block. Now what this does is it'll do everything inside the box that we put when the A button is pressed. So when the A button is pressed, I want the score to increase by 1. So we're going to go to info. We're going to go back into our score section, and we're going to go change score by 1. Doink. So now every time I press the A button, my score should increase by 1. Looks like it's working. Excellent. See how many points I can get in 10 seconds. Ooh, I'm not very fast at clicking. Okay. I only got, what is that, 48 points. That is a new high score for me, but hopefully you can beat my score with that too. Now, this game works and is a very simple clicker game. It would be nice if it looked a little prettier. So you can add a sprite or a background image to make it prettier. If you want to add a sprite, kind of make it like a clicker game where you're clicking on an animal or something like that. You could add a sprite. I'm just going to put that in on start. Let's maybe put, I'm just going to go to the gallery here. Let's select the monkey. He's cute. Select that monkey. Okay. So now our random monkey pops up on the screen, and maybe I want to say like, don't hit the monkey, or hit the monkey. You know, I guess the point is to hit the monkey. So if you want to add a little quote to your game, you can splash a saying at the beginning of the game. Let's splash hit the monkey onto our game. So click on game and look for splash. It's under prompt here. So I'm going to say splash hit the monkey with A. Okay, so now when I play the game, the first thing that pops up is not the timer. It is a splash screen that says exactly what I typed in there. Hit the monkey with A. Okay, that's A to continue. Look at now I have a monkey show up. I'm going to hit the monkey with A. I'm not going to score as many points this time. There you go. I did not score as many points. I only got 44. But that's how you make a simple clicker game, and even how to add a nice sprite image and a splash screen onto your game too to make it a little more interesting. So go ahead and try it for yourself. Good luck.